everybody, this is Jerry and
Cathy
and
Sonny.
And Sonny. Sonny is with us today. I want everybody to know, because some people asked during the last video, birds can actually be poisoned by if you use Teflon pans. So we actually went out and we got some pans that are going to make sure that Sonny is safe while we cook. We actually got them on Amazon. The frying pan that we used is a Green Earth frying pan set, and we're going to be using this wok. Is a MasterPan 12-inch copper tone wok. It was about 31 bucks for the wok, and how much for the set of frying pans?
$55. But
$55.
they're very nice.
They're very nice. Here's a look. This is one that Cathy actually just scrambled an egg for, because we're making shrimp fried rice, and of course you got to have scrambled eggs in your shrimp fried rice.
So they are both PFOA and PTFE free, so they're safe for Sonny.
So what did we do so far, Cathy?
Boiling the rice.
How many?
2 cups. And I use brown rice because it's better for you.
2 cups of brown rice.
I have peeled the shrimp. They're medium shrimp from Food Lion. I love Food Lion shrimp, and they have great sales on them. And in here I put sesame oil, some oyster sauce, some garlic, and some soy sauce.
Garlic, soy sauce, sesame oil.
Yes, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cook these up so that they're ready to just dump in.
Okay, and I'm just gonna show some of our ingredients here. Garlic, soy sauce, sesame seed oil, rice vinegar, oyster sauce, mushrooms, carrots, some ginger,
onion,
shallot, some green onions, scrambled eggs, which we just finished up, peas. Of course, these are the fanciest frozen peas that you can buy. And back here we have baby corn and water chestnuts. Alright, so the rice is still boiling, and Cathy is putting her shrimp in one of our pans for a quick saute.
Yes, and like I said, in here they've kind of been marinating in soy sauce and sesame oil, some oyster sauce, and some garlic.
Okay, so these have probably been cooking for just a few minutes, maybe like 3 or 4 minutes, and they're starting to get nice and pink, as you can see. That water is boiling off on the rice, and we've got everything over here ready to go.
These are looking done, look good. I'm gonna take those off and set those aside, and actually take my big wok and come over here, put my sesame oil in, and actually I'm gonna put some olive oil in too. Take my carrots. So this is the onions and the ginger and the carrots. I'm just gonna put them in.
And we'll just let that saute till they get nice and soft.
So the corn comes in whole, like little spears. I just take and have them.
So the rice still has a little bit of water left to cook off. Carrots are getting a lot softer. They're not totally soft, but you still want to be a little bit crispy. And Cathy has chopped up her baby corns.
Yes. And then I'll go ahead and add the water chestnuts too. These I normally get sliced, but they were out of the slice, so I had to get the dice, but I'm hoping they taste the same. Add your mushrooms. I use baby bellas because I love portobello mushrooms the best, so it's looking good. And then you want to go back through your line of seasonings. Put some soy sauce. I'm using the less sodium because the other one's really, really salty. I have that here, but... And some rice vinegar. Sesame oil. And some more oyster sauce. Let me see if it's... Alright, I'm just going to pull this and let it sit over here. Let it absorb the rest of that water that's there. And yes, I have my wine here. Can't cook without that. Peas in.
Yeah, those frozen peas. Get a nice little toss on that stuff.
Oh, it's looking good.
A nice colorful medley of veggies. So you've got these green onions that you chopped up.
Yes, I did. I'm actually going to go ahead and add everything that's left. Get your rice in.
Add a little bit of a
spoon.
Everything's together. You can
go ahead and just season to taste. You can taste it. If it needs more salt, your soy sauce will do that. Tanginess is the rice vinegar. Just add a little bit of that.
And some of that good Asian flavor comes from that.
The oyster sauce.
Kind of gives it that brown color that everybody expects too.
Thanks for cooking with us today. It's very, very, very good. And Sonny thinks so too, as he already stole some of it, as you can see.